Hey, what's up, YouTubes? Today we got a new coffee maker, and I'm going to show you how to break in a new coffee maker. Alright, the first thing you're going to do when you're setting it up is make sure you get everything out of it that was put in there for shipping purposes, like this piece of cardboard here. You don't need that on the hot plate. And open it up, make sure there's no other shipping material anywhere. Alright. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and put half water and half distilled vinegar in here. Pour that in and put the coffee maker on. So let's do that. Plug it in and turn it on. Okay, now that your half water, half vinegar is done, you want to shut your coffee machine off. Pull that water vinegar combo out and just throw it down the drain. Alright, now we have this filled with regular water, and we're going to dump all 12 cups in here. And then turn it on. And that's it, everyone. As soon as this finishes up, you can dump that water and then start making coffee like you normally would. Alright, thanks for watching.